Hello everyone. I know that many of the teachers are still didn't understood how they have to start the application. So today I am going to show you that how you can create your lecture in the application and how you have to start. For that, first of all, go to the Sanskar Tirth application. Your Sanskar Tirth application will be start and your home page will come. In that, go to the online learning. Over there, click on the plus button. While clicking on the plus button, you have to create your lecture. How you can create your lecture? In the learning type, take a online from drop down, select your class, select your subject. After selecting your subject, you have to enter the start time. As right now it's 9:51, so you have to click on that. I have taken the 9:55, 9:54 as a start time, and end time I have taken 9:57. Only 3 minutes I have taken, but you have to take 40 minutes lecture, as your lecture for example is going to start from 8 o'clock. So you will type start time as 8 o'clock and end time will be 8:40. Like that you have to start and give the start and end time. After that, give the title of your lecture. I have kept it as an English lecture. Write the description, which chapter you are going to ask or your chapter you are going to teach them. I have kept as in chapter 1. In the lecture path, you have to add the time. Your lecture time is 40 minutes, right? So you have to type 40 minutes. As my lecture is having only 5 minutes, so I'll write 5 minutes. Okay. In the meeting account, you have to take a drop down and select your name. No need to click on meeting created, directly go to the next button. In that, you have to compulsory add display meeting ID and password, students audio video on, teachers audio video on, student screen share, teacher screen share, and track attendance. After that, click on the next button. In that, you have to select all the division together, but right now for the demo I have selected only one student, and I have click on the create button. Like this, can you see in the red one your lecture has been created. See, now it's 9:54 and we are our lecture is also going to start from 9:54. So just click on that. Once you get the message of online lecture successful, login successful, click on create meeting. After that, start lecture option is there. You have to click on that. See, all. Once you end the meeting, you have to click on the completed button. You have to click on completed button. Your lecture is completed. You can see over here on the top right hand side, learning type online. In the right hand side of that, completed, right? You can see like that. And once you log out from there, you can see that your icon has been turned into green as in completed. Like this, you have to create your link and you have to start your lecture according to that. If you are having any doubts still, you can feel free to call me and contact me so that I can make your doubts clear. I hope everyone understood the online learning app, how you can create the lecture and how you can start the lecture. Thank you.